What's up, guys? Welcome back. So did you know that around 90% of traders actually lose money? It's crazy, right? I was one of them. I started about 5 years ago, so I know your pain. But what if I told you could turn it around with just a few simple steps and techniques? Stick around today because we're going to dive into the same strategy I've been showing y'all over and over and over. All right, what's going on again? And also I want to tell you, welcome back to the channel. If you've been rocking with me for a while, if you're in my Telegram group or you're in my Discord group, I appreciate you guys watching the videos over and over. Today, we're talking about a trading technique that can quickly enhance your profitability. Whether you're a newbie or you just starting out, and whether you're a newbie and you're just starting out, or you been trading for a while with a little extra edge, these tips are essential for navigating the wild world of trading. So let's get into it. All right. And I'm not going to go over too much and not going to beat you. Well, I'm going to beat the dead horse again, like I always say. Let's talk about some common strategies, challenges that traders face. First up, there's emotional making decisions. All right. Trust me, if I'm in a trade, if I'm over leveraging and I know if it goes the other way, I could blow the account. You see what I'm saying? I definitely have emotional decision right there. But if I risk properly, and I already know what I'm gonna lose. Say if I'm risking $100 and I'm like, hey, I could get 150 to make 150 to get and lose 100, or risk 100 to make 150. I'm cool. See what I'm saying? I'm not gonna lose the trading account. Trust me, we've all been there. Panic selling or panic buying at the wrong time because of fear, excitement. It's a slippery slope. Trust me, I know. Then there's the lack of solid strategy. Many traders jump into the market without a clear plan, which can lead to chaotic and unprofitable trades. And of course, let's not forget market volatility. Prices can swing wildly, making it tough to stay afloat, even if you have a strategy in your place. All these factors can lead to frustration and losses. But don't worry, we got a solution. Well, not we. I got a solution. All right. So what can we do to boost these profits? First, on the list of setting clear entry and exit points. You got to set clear entry and exit points as part of your strategy. And trust me, don't trade your strategy. Don't trade unless you see your strategy verbatim to the T. Before you make a trade, know exactly where you want to buy and sell. Look at the bias of the day. All right. This helps stay disciplined and stick with your plan. Next, let's talk about a stop loss orders. Trust me, stop loss orders are your best friends. By setting a stop loss, you can set a limit of how much you want to lose, like I just talked about. All right. Trust me, if you get in the trade and you only want to lose 100, that's all you're gonna lose. You should be good with losing that. But if you want to make 100, to lose 100, you see what I'm saying? I do one for ones. Do as you please, but I do one for ones. I get in and out. All right. Use the tools and resources to understand what's happening in the market. Look at patterns, indicators, support and resistance levels to make an informed decision. Trust me, these techniques can make a world of difference. All right. So with that being said, let's go over to the charts. All right. This was today's chart. All right. And let's just go. Let me break it all the way down for you. All right. This is what I did. All right. Let's get out of here. All right. So as you can see, this was yesterday's. All right. Let's go make this red for yesterday's. All right. Because the market dropped like crazy yesterday. So we're going to make the highs and lows of yesterday's. This is the daily time frame. All right. So once I get into the market, right? All right, at 8:30, I look at, let's make this green, and let's make this green. All right, I mark that off. I go into my session. I make a New York session. I go down to the 5-minute time frame. All right, and then what I do is I don't start trading till 8:30, so I mark off 8:30. All right, look at that. So we have the highs and lows of yesterday. All right, big move yesterday, and then when I came in, I marked up the highs and lows of today's candle. And what I do is, since I see it, hey, look, boom, right here. I look at 2 candle lows on buys or 2 candle highs on sales. Look right here. 1, 2. All right. For those, if you just starting off, you can go to indicators. You get your SMA. All right. Just type in SMA and the indicators go up here at the top. All right. And you go down to simple moving average by stocks and box. All right, and then I just click it, and then I go to the rotating wheel over here. The SMA 1 is 20. All right, then I can make it any color I want to right here. Boom, and then that's it. All right, and then you go to sessions. That sessions just tells me that I'm in the New York session. JRFX addict. All right, click on sessions, go to the wheel, New York session. All right, click this right here. You can't really do too much else to this. That's all that matters. And look right here. This is my 8:30. That's when the market opens. Central Standard Time for me is 8:30 when the market opens. What I'm looking for now, I'm just waiting. I'm just waiting for my potential setup. All right, if you can see right here, today's highs and lows already started. All right, started from earlier. All right, so if I look at it like this, I'm looking, okay, here's support. All right, now it could potentially go back up to resistance of the previous of today. All right, look, this was the highs of today right here. All right, and this was the lows of today. All right, so what I'm looking for now, I'm like, okay, I'm gonna let the market show me what it's gonna show me. All right, we didn't broke above the 20 SMA. All right, let's just do a replay so we can go together with this. All right, here we go. Let's go slow. All right, nothing sitting on my hands. Just a 5-minute time frame. I don't see it. Even though I see two candles for the lows for sales, I see both candles still touch the EMA. You want both candles to clearly, wicks and all, do not touch the SMA. All right, one, look at that. Boom, it closed out. Didn't touch the SMA. That's my first candle. All right, boom, here's my second candle. This is where I'm gonna get in. All right, I'm gonna do 100 points. 100 points. All right, because if you see 100 points, I already knew this happened because I took this trade. But if it comes back down to the SMA, you always want to take it down to the SMA to be on the fair side. All right, let's go down here. Type this in. All right, and then, all right, right here and right here. So they both about 100 points. All right, let's just do this for shits and giggles so you can see it. All right, and then, all right, so this trade, if you're brand new to it, you know what I'm saying, and you're not realizing, okay, well, I want to lose this, and you get nervous, just let it play out. Once you in the trade, it's going because it went back down to the SMA a little bit. All right, I'm in drawdown some. All right, trust me, these candles don't move as fast. It's the 5-minute, even though it's 5-minute time frame, you still sitting here for about an hour. All right, as you can see, it comes back down. My price entry point of 1866. And look, it came back down here. Now you could be like, oh man, it's about to hit my stop loss. Do not get out until it hits your stop loss because you haven't lost the trade. I've been too many times when I first started trading, I'd be like, oh, it's about to hit it. All you doing is giving yourself a loss. The market didn't even give you a loss. You emotionally going in and out, giving yourself a loss. Get what I'm saying? Look at that. And then it reversed, not reversed, but it came back above price. And now we in profit. Look at that. And look at that. Boom. Now we got 100, where it went up like that, but it's going to be $100 right here. All right. Get what I'm saying? So we don't have all these indicators on here. Strategy is every single day, if you trading at the market open. Now, some days when the news happens, you know, the candles and the price goes haywire. I ain't gonna say candle, I'm gonna say price. Price goes haywire. See what I'm saying? But today, on the day when news wasn't really that prevalent, like if you look, come over here for you guys that use TradingView, go down to economic calendar. All right, just hit another tab up here. You see right here, a new tab. It's gonna pop up. Go to the economic calendar. All right, hit the economic calendar. All right, and then it's gonna pop up. And if you see today, we had at 8:30, we had a little news, but wasn't really big news, and the numbers were pretty much the same. See what I'm saying? All right. At 9:10, there was some news. Numbers pretty much the same. All right, we got some news coming out at 10:30. But if you look over here on the side, it'll tell you how impactful the news is. All right. So if you look right here, we potentially might go back up to 18,310. But we already got our 100 points for the day. We got $100 for the day, or however you want to call it. You know, you made whatever you made for the day, whatever your leverage was for the day. That's what you made. Now we can go about our day. See what I'm saying? Easy strategy. Highs and lows, 20 SMA, two candle lows. All right. Even on a sell trade, two candle highs. All right, let's go back over here. Let's see if we can catch. Well, yesterday, let's see. Let's see where 8:30 at. Let's see if we can we caught one yesterday. All right. So no, we didn't want this one. All right, we didn't want this one. All right, if you can see right here, we didn't get nothing yesterday because there's one right here, but I'm not trading at past 9. That's almost 10 o'clock. But you still could have got some if that was you trading. All right, you still got your 100 points. Let's see. All right, you would have got stopped out basically right there. Let me show you why you would have got stopped out. All right, let's see where we at. Let's see. So what I've learned, all right, see right here. So you in this trade right here, you want this thing to be all the way back here, all the way down here to the SMA. If you're going to take this trade, me personally, I take the trades when they first break the SMA. When they first break, once they too far away from the SMA, you playing a risky game. All right, and let's just see if you hit that. All right, you actually did hit it. All right, so good work on that one. I wouldn't have took the trade, but you can see the strategy still works. I take it when it's right here, but it did retest back here to kind of tell you, hey, it's going back up that way. But if you look right here, 1, 2, back down to the SMA to give yourself some breathing room, and about 190 points right there. Good work yesterday if you took that trade. All right. But other than that, I'm not going to continue to. Yes, I am. I keep saying that. Yes, I am. But hopefully you guys understand. So to wrap things up, we covered some key trading techniques and that can seriously boost your profits, setting a clear entry and exit points, using stop loss orders, analyzing the trends of the market, and they all simple yet effective strategies. Remember, it's all about having a solid plan and sticking to it. Remember, having a solid plan. And if you overcomplicate your trading strategy with all these indicators, you know what I'm saying? You know, they're just putting all these on here, you know, and doing all this, and you know, boom, and you got, you know, I had a buddy of mine a long time ago. His charts look like this. And I'm like, bro, how are you understanding this? I'm not understanding, bro. Like, how are you trading this? You know what I'm saying? And it apparently it worked for him. He said he gonna rock with it. But if you look, take all these off. I'm definitely taking all these off real quick. All right. Boom. Boom. Trust me. The reason why I have all these on here is because I've been through all of them. Trust me, when I started right before the pandemic, I was going from indicator to indicator to indicator to indicator. See what I'm saying? But now that I go to the daily time frame, the highs and lows of the previous day, and then when I come to the market, mark off the highs and lows of the previous session, go down to the 5-minute time frame, mark off the 8:30 start point, and that's when I start looking for my strategy. Plain and simple. Plain and simple. You don't need all these indicators. You get what I'm saying? Now, hopefully, I got into your thick skull. You don't need all those indicators. You need a simple strategy. And hey, I just want to hear from you. What's your trading experience like? If you follow this trading experience, let me know. Or whatever trading experience you got, leave a comment down below. And have you tried any of these techniques? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more trading tips and check out my other videos for advanced trading strategies. Thanks for watching, and all gas, no brakes. Happy trading.